we are ready to do the website creation. That is, we are going to build the website. Now, to build a website, there are two ways of doing this. Okay, let me just clear everything again, because each time you install a plugin, it has to display the functions over here for you. So let me clear it. Now, there are two ways of building a website. Okay, now it is either you choose using you build a website using a template, which is a website that has been designed already. So all you do is you pick it, you import it into your website, and then you do the editing that will look the same. For example, when you come to the theme, that is the Oceans WP, when you click on this, let me just skip this for now. Okay, you can go to install demos. So you go to install demos, and then you realize that these, so when you go to install demos, you can see that these are the websites that has been designed already for you. Let me just click a couple of them for you to see how it looks like. Okay, this and this. Okay, so as you can see, this is a coach, a sport coach for gymming. All right, working out website. So this is how it looks like. So if you have a niche, or if your website, you want your website to look like this, all you have to do is just import everything, and you import this into your website, and then you use certain changes. You just make some changes to either change the name or the background, and then change the font and stuff like that, and then you customize it to your preferred website. Okay, so that will be as easy, as simple as that. And then this is also an example of a travel blog. Okay, you can see there's menu here, and then this is a lawyer website, attorney's website. So this is also how it looks like. If you want your website to look like this, you can just pick any of them and change it. Not the fact that it has to be a lawyer before. You can just go ahead and then pick this. If the look really looks nice to you and you want to use it, you can go ahead and use it and then edit it to your liking. Okay, all right. Now, I am not going to use any template to do this website building. Okay, so even though this might be the fast way of building a website, it also comes with its own downsides. Okay, so I want us to build this from scratch, doing it ourselves. Okay, that will also mean a lot to us, because that will teach us how these are also built. Okay, all right, so this is the face of our website. We want to create something similar like this for our website. Okay, so what you do is, so first of all, I want us to start our website by building the top, this side of the website, and that is the header of our website, or the menu. Okay, we are going to create the menu of our website. Okay, now what you have to do is, before you can create a menu, you need to have these buttons over here within your website. Okay, so before we can create a menu, we will need to create pages and blog posts. Okay, so we are going to create a dummy blog post. That is the blog post that we cannot use for anything, just to use it to create the website, and after that we will just delete them and put the real blog post. Okay. All right, you want me to show you an example? This is just an example of what I was, the dummy pages. Okay, these are all dummy pages. All right. Okay, so then we will also create sorry, this is the dummy blog post. Okay, this is the dummy blog post. So we are going to create something similar like this, and then this we will create pages as well. Okay, so first let's go ahead and create the pages. Okay, all right, so from the dashboard we go to pages. Now the page is empty, so we do add. Now the first page that we are going to create is the page for, as you can see, home. This page is a home page. Okay, so home, we are going to create a home page. So you do, that's the title of the page. Now when you type the name of the page, you go to this button, you click on this, then you go to general, and then you go to the content layout. You make it 100% width. Okay, and then padding, you disable padding, and then you go to title, then you disable the page title as well. So after you have done this, you just publish and publish. Okay, now this is what you can see the image over here is filling the whole page. Okay, as you can see, this image here is filling up from the one end of the screen to the one end of the screen, and that is the full width page is what. So we want our home page to display like this. Okay, all right, then after that you click on this, add new page again. Now we are going to create all the pages that we are going to need for this website right away, not to be adding them. So you got our next page is called blog. Okay, as you can see, there is a blog here, a blog page. So you create a blog, then you come to this, you have to change this to disable the page title, and then publish. We are not using the full width for this page because this page will look different. It's not going to be outside. Okay, so we are not using the full width. Add another page. Our next page is about us page. Okay, so we did the same thing, disable the page, and then we add another one which is contact us page. The same thing, you disable the page title, you publish and publish. Okay, the next page is privacy policy page. The same, also disable and publish. The next page is affiliate disclosure. Okay, affiliate, let me just disclaimer. So affiliate disclaimer page, change this title, disable it to, then publish. Right, now the next page is to have, so we have terms and conditions page. We should just disable the name, publish. Alright, so now we go back to the WordPress, and then you can see all our pages are here. Okay, now with that being said, what we have to do next is to create our dummy blog post. Okay, so we go to blog posts, and then as the blog posts are also empty, we're going to add a new. Okay, so what you do is you come to Google, so you can click any of them, right? Just click something like this. Okay, now paragraphs. Okay, so generate. Alright, so we copy this. This is a dummy page. We go to our website, then we start add new blog post. So we'll paste this at the text side. Now let's find some titles and then add it to it. So how to set up home office 2024. Okay, now this is it. So you publish. Okay, now we're going to copy this or duplicate this for the rest of the, we need at least 3 dummy blog posts. Okay, so you just go here, then so how to choose the best desk for your home office. Publish. The next one will be "10 best VPN for your home office", also 2024. Alright, so something like this. Okay, now we need to get some images. Okay, as you can see, these images that is popping up here, we need to create some images. So we're going to look for images for the for this blog post. So we will go to a website called pixel.com. Okay, so let's go to Pixel, and then let's just type in. Okay, so we can pick something like this. Let's just open this. This is one. Always make sure you download the smaller size of that image. Okay, you don't need to load your website with heavy images. Okay, so let's copy this one as well. And then let's look for something like VPN. So we can do something like this one. Okay, now let's go to the website. Alright, now when you come here to here, you can see down here that is called featured image. So you come here, you go to select image or select files, then you select the image that we just downloaded. Okay, right, so you just set as okay, and we update. Now when we come back, we open this, we come to set featured image, you go to upload, select files. Let's just load the two quickly at the same time. So alright, so this for this, alright, and then we update, then we come back, the last one, select featured image, so this, so we have 3 dummy blog posts that is going to serve our purpose for this design. Alright, so as you can see, there are 3 dummy blog posts. Okay, now what we do next is to create our menu. Okay, we are going to create this menu. Alright, if in case you care to know how this, you're going to create this menu. Okay, alright, now you can see there is setup, home office, blog, home office essentials. These are not pages. Okay, these are not pages, they are categories. Okay, so we have to create we have to create categories for the website. Okay, so we go to blog posts, and then you come to categories. So first of all, as you can see, we have set up home office. Alright, so we do that. So set up home office is the first, and it's a parent category. Okay, so we will not change anything here. So we add new, and then we go to the next, which is blog and home office essentials. Okay, so when you go to home office essentials, that is where you have your desk, your chair, your lighting, and stuff like that under it. Okay, so we go ahead and then we create. So home office essentials is also a parent. Okay, now when you go to home office essentials, okay, like we see here, there are desk selection, chair options, lighting solutions, storage management. So under it, so we create them. So desk selection is under home office essential. So we come here and then we make it home office essential. Then you add to it. So you see it will go under home office essentials. Then we add, so chair options goes under the same parent. So the same parent. Okay, so these are the child category, that the subcategory under home office essentials. Okay, now when we come here, you can see there is equipment. So let's create equipment as well. The same process that we use for the home office essentials. So that is a bigger one, that is the parent. So we create that, and then under it, as you can see, under equipment you have laptops, desktop, cameras, okay, cameras, monitors, microphone. These are the, so laptops goes under equipment. Okay, so let's check, confirm cameras, monitors, then the microphone. So we come back, microphones. Okay, so we have this over here. Then the next on the list, as you can see, have technology and about us. So we create another category called technology. So now let's do technology is a parent. All right, so now we have created our categories. We can add more as it gets to the point that we need a category, that when we start creating blog posts that needs as a particular category within the website. Okay, so you can add more later, you can change this later, so it doesn't matter, this is permanent. You can change them as and when it becomes necessary. All right, so now we have done this, we go back to our dashboard, and then from dashboard we go to appearance. Okay, now when you go to appearance, you see menus. All right, so you go to menu. Now when you come here, you have to create your main menu. Well, you have to create your menu. So you come here and then you create main menu. Okay, then we create a main menu, but we need to assign this menu to which side of, or where should this menu be displayed. So you can either do it at the top bar, main, footer, or on a mobile. Okay, so when it comes to top bar, let me show you where the top bar is referring to. As you can see, there is a black line here that shows login, register, and then your social media handlers. This is the top bar of the website. So do you want the menu to display here? There's no, we are doing it at the header. That is, this is the main menu. Okay, so our menu is going to the main. So we create. Now what should be displayed within this menu? What should it be displayed? Okay, so now we are going to add items that needs to be displayed over there. All right, so first of all, we can see that we have a home page, blog page, and all these things, but I'm not going to add a home page. Even though there's a home page and a blog here, I'm not going to add home page because I want to create something different. All right, so as you can see, this doesn't also have a home page. All right, so I will just go ahead and choose my categories. So I'll go to categories and I go view all. Now when I come to view all, I will just select everything here. Let me just select all without this uncategorized. So I add to menu. All right, now I have to rearrange them. Okay, so the first is home office. Setup home office should be the first at the top. So this will come here. Okay, now the second is home office essentials. Okay, but home office essentials comes with desk, chair, so they are under this. Okay, so I'll move this to here, and then cameras, desktop, laptop, microphone, monitors. Okay, so okay, so equipment, technology, add this to the page. Now I will add about us to the page. That will be the last one down here. Then you save settings. So now we save our menu. Now when we come to the website, let's refresh. As you can see, I have my menu created. Okay, so this is it. Now if you click on this, okay, when you click here to be the home page, or when you do enter your domain.com, you can see it displays this, okay, blog post. Okay, so we have to go and change this so that it will start displaying a static home page, because this home page is dynamic. It changes as and when you add a new blog post, it will be pasted here, and I don't want that. Okay, I want my home page to display something like this. Wherever you are, you click on your domain, it displays an image with some a command that tells you to do something over here, get started, something like that. Okay, so we go here, we go to settings. All right, now when you go to settings, then you go to reading. Now when you go to reading, you can see your home page displays your latest blog posts. Okay, so we change it to static page. So you just this, and then you select home page. Okay, all right, then good. So you save changes, you come to dashboard. Now our website should display nothing, because for the home page that we created, there's nothing. We've not done anything over there. Okay, all right, so now we have finished the menu. Okay, we finished the menu. What you have to do is to go ahead and create our home page. Okay, so we go back to dashboard. So we come to dashboard, then we go to pages. Now when we come to pages, we have our home page over here. So we open the home page. Now when you open the home page, you have to do edit with Elementor. Okay, so this is where we start the page building. Okay, so let's just close this. All right, now as you can see, we have on our home page, we have this, and then we have our button that shows get me office tips, some image here, and something small about what we do within the website. So we are going to create something like this. Okay, so quickly we come here and then we do add. Okay, we need to add a widget, so we can add, and as you can see, this is of two. Okay, it's a two separate columns, so we have this text side and this image side. Okay, so we choose a column that has two, this. Okay, right, now we have this and that. So what you do is you go to this, okay, this 9 dots will allow you to select your other commands that you want to put on your column or on your widgets. So you go to heading, you pick the heading first. Okay, we are creating this particular text. Okay, so let me just copy this, and this is where it displays, but this is where you would type them. Okay, so you type them here. Okay, and then you can see the color of it is blue. All right, so what you're going to do is, first we will have to change these colors, because if we have to turn this color to the right color that we want, each and every time we type in a new text is going to tell us to change the color to the preferred. So we need to change the color to our default colors, that is the global colors. So we come here, then you go to site settings, then you go to global colors. Okay, so you click global colors. These are the default colors for the website right now with regard to Elementor, and so we need to go and change it to our preferred choice. So we are going to a website called Humint. Okay, this Humint, you launch, and this is where we are going to pick our colors. So you come here, you go to websites, and then you go to Accent 1. Okay, so this is Accent 1. Now these are the colors, the 3 colors that you can combine to get the right colors for your website. Okay, it's always advisable to have 3 colors. Okay, going too many colors will make your website look something else. So you can generate, and when you get to the color that you like, you can come here or here, you click on it, and then you lock it. Okay, so you generate, you keep generating until you get the right color that you want. So this color, I think I like this color. Okay, so I lock this color, you go again, okay, so I think this color too is great. Right, so we lock this, and then we lock this one as well. Okay, so this is how our website will look like. Is that the right colors? All right, you can change them anytime you want. Okay, I'm just showing how this can be done. Okay, all right, so the text color is going to be black like this. Our buttons will be going to be this color, and the background will be this color. Okay, so what we do is we copy this code, then we come to the primary color, which is this. Come here, and then we paste the color here. All right, the same color goes to the secondary and the text. Okay, so we do this same thing to the and this. Okay, and then with this color we will use this color, which is this color. All right, okay, now let's add 2 more colors. Okay, so we do background, background 1 is going to be this color. Okay, and then the last color, which is background number 2, is going to be all white. Okay, all right, so let's update it. Now when we come to the website, okay, so we go, let me just do back, go to global font. Okay, now the global font is also primary. Okay, primary font is Roboto. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do Open Sans. Okay, I love Open Sans, and the weight should be 70. Okay, so let me just update this one as well. Let's go back to the editor. Now you see the color has changed to the color that we choose, this color. Okay, so we now have to, let me just close the layout. We now have to change the size of the text. So we come here, we come to style, and then you see typography, and then you change the text size to this. Okay, let me just do it a little bit more. Okay, so 34 or 35. Okay, 700. All right, then let's check the spacing to be 40. Okay, this is the spacing, that is the line between here. Should I do more? Okay, so I think this is good. All right, so we update this, we come here, and then we do normal text. We add normal text. As you can see, it displays this from A to Z. So we copy this, and then you come here. Okay, so this, we can also go to style, typography, change the size to 18. All right, and then we change the okay, so let me just, okay, so you update this. Now, as you can see here, we have this, join our winner circle with email, your email, and a button. Okay, so we go and do that. Let's copy this and come here. Now when you come to this, you scroll down. Let's go down to WordPress. Okay, when you go to WordPress, you look for MailChimp. This one, you put it here. Now we delete this, and then this. Okay, then your email, and then here also do join. Okay, alright, but as you can see here, there is this gets our winners, so you can add that here. You can put that one here, or you put it at the top here. Instead of newsletter, you delete this. Okay, alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a different text box. Okay, so I'll just take maybe this, another heading here, and then I'll put this text here. Okay, so this will serve as h2. This is h2 as well. Okay, so then that's it. All right, but as you can see, there is something going on here. You can see that the color of the join is not showing red, that usual color that we want. Okay, so we have to change this color, the color coding that the default colors that we just changed, the global colors that we just changed, that is for Elementor. So we need to go to WordPress and then change WordPress default colors so that this can change. Okay, so let's go to dashboard. Okay, let me open a new page. Okay, then go to customize. Okay, so from the customize screen, when you get here, you go to home page settings, general options rather. You go to general options, then you go to general styling. Now when you come to general styling, this is where the colors that we need to change. So this is the primary color, so we change this color to the the red color. Sorry, this is supposed to be the black color. Copy this, so we change this color to this. So when you hover, when you come to the general color, this is supposed to be the red color. Now when you hover, that when you put your mouse on it, it's supposed to be usually I like the lighter side of this color. So I'll just come here, paste this color, and then make it a little lighter. Okay, all right, so you publish. So now when you come to this and you refresh, it's supposed to change to the color and the light ones that we just did. Okay, all right, now what we have to do is to get the image over here. So we come to this and then we do image. We put the image here. Okay, change the image. Let's select the image. What's the image? This one. Okay, So we select this image and then go ahead and add it. Okay, so this is the image we put here. Now as you can see this, that's okay. Now from here, what you do is we take another one and then we put our heading. Okay, then we have latest post. Latest post, we go to style, typography, we could change this font to maybe 45. Okay, and we come back, we center it here. So this is it. Then before we do this, we need a plugin that will help us to create this grid. All right, so we go to plugins, add new, then we do the post grid. Okay, we install this and then we activate. Okay, so we come here, we update this and we refresh. So from here you can see the post grid is here, so we choose the first one, put it here. Alright, so this is the blog post, the dummy blog post we just created. So we go to settings and then we deselect this section, then we take off metadata as well. Right, then that's it. Okay, now we will come and do other changes for this. Okay, all right, so this is it. We have to change the color of this. Okay, so we go to style, post title. Okay, so title crop by words. Okay, so that's it. All right, so the title color should be the same color that it is. The background should be this so blur. Why this thing is worrying me? I don't know why this is so thin. So we go to the typography for the read more. This, okay, it's okay with the size, but the padding is also okay. Now let's go to alignment. It's okay. The color is what is supposed to be this color. Okay, the background is okay. The radius is what we will change to. All right, so as you can see, I'm trying to get the colors mixed up over here. So yeah, so that's how it is done. Okay, so we have this. Okay, all right, now as you can see, there are some radius, okay, and some shadow, so we need to do that. Hover animation, zoom out, slide in. Okay, so You can just play around it. Which one? This is zoom in. Okay. So you can just play around how the image should pop up when you go there. Okay, so it's like animation. So I don't know, for some strange reason the monitor is okay. So let me just do slide. It's not changing. Okay, let me just go to the exact content character. Let's change this to 160. Okay, 160. So expansion indicator, read more. Okay, so let me see if I can change this to arrow. This type of arrow. Nah. Okay, so let me just do this. It's a box.